So I'm back at camp right now. Um, this morning was kind of a bust. I saw some cows, but no bull. I only have a bull license. Um, yeah, it's cold. A little miserable. It's alright. Can't get my propane stoves to work. So everything that I'm cooking and making coffee and stuff like that is on the campfire, which isn't bad either. I'm gonna, here in a little bit, I'm gonna go up higher. Just had to get some food and some coffee. But yeah, I'm gonna go up higher in the mountain, kind of glass the other side, and see what I can find this afternoon. Yeah, it was cold last night. Stayed pretty warm in my tent, but there was a couple times where I woke up and I had rolled out of my sleeping bag and blanket and stuff. Had to cover back up. But anyway, yeah, keep you posted. So, made some serious elevation adjustments. About 300 or 400 feet higher than I was, and I'm gonna keep going up. There's this power line. Makes a nice clear trail. But on both sides of me, it's just this thick aspen. Makes it hard to see anything. But I'm gonna go up on top. I had to shed some layers, get a drink of water. But yeah, keep on going. So I'm sitting here in this spot. I've been sitting here for a while. And I just got to thinking, like, in this world of instant gratification, how many people can just sit in one spot and wait and listen? And like, no noise. I mean, no noise. It's so quiet up here. It's just like mind-boggling to me that in a few days I'll be back to like the real world, right? What we conceive as a real world. And all the noise. And we're so used to it that the silence is what drives us crazy sometimes. Anyway, just some random thoughts. So it's been a few hours, and I'm about to leave this spot that I was sitting in. Didn't see anything, didn't hear anything. Behind me, like, I am at the top. It's just straight down right here. Then aspens, and more aspens, and more aspens. And then some, like, brush. So you can't even glass down there. There's nothing you can see. It's so thick. Yeah, I'm gonna head back down for a little bit. Kind of look at some maps again and see about some other areas. Anyway, it's looking like looks like opening day. I'm gonna be skunked. I'd be happy with a bear too, even today. That would be awesome. Anyway, so it's still first day, about a 2:45. I found the spot that I want to sit for the evening. It's a pretty nice open area. Not many of those around here. As you can tell, it's really windy, but the wind's to my advantage, so when they come down either this way or this way, there's a couple of trails here, but I think my scent's going this way, so we'll see what happens. So it's funny because, and it's a true desire, but like I always tell people, I want to make a living hunting and fishing. That's why I do like my YouTube channel, or trying to do it as much as I can, stuff like that. But when I'm out here and just getting beat to death by the wind and not seeing anything, and it's like, why? Why do I want to do this for a living? And I don't have an answer. I just love it so much. Yeah. So I'm still sitting here and thinking I'm not gonna see anything today. I think all those gunshots yesterday kind of blew everything out. I've seen a lot of orange, but I have not heard a gunshot all day long. When I came back to my camp for lunch, I probably saw 5 or 6 cars go by. Dudes in orange. I mean, 3 or 4 came back, but like I said, I haven't heard a gunshot. I'm gonna hang out here again. I mean, still dark, but I'm thinking it's not gonna happen tonight. I think maybe after the weekend, when people have to go back to work. I don't know. There's a lot of people out here. Anyway, this open spot I'm sitting in is pretty close to camp. I got a couple more little open spots that I have picked out that I'm going to sit in, and then the place I found up top this morning looks pretty promising. But we'll keeping at it. Hopefully we'll see something. So it's day 2. There was a couple of shots low this morning. I'm on top again, just kind of hanging out. There's this nice open spot in front of me, like 2 or 3 trails intersect. So I'm gonna hang out here and see what happens. So while I'm sitting here waiting, I just wanted to talk real shortly about how I'm keeping charged up here. I'm using the Trago SolarWorks solar pad. I don't know if I got it in focus. And yeah, it's doing a really good job. I mean, not really good. It's really slow. About 2 hours in full sunlight, getting about 10%. Also, the Velcro is like super loud. It echoed so much when I opened it. So when I bought it at the home in Rancho in Durango, I told the guy I would review it for him. I've taken it on some fishing trips, and it's done really well. Again, just really super friendly option. I mean, I'm depending on this to keep me going for 9 days, and I can't seem to get past 20%. So, anyway, yeah, there's that. So it's late in the afternoon on day 3. I'm at camp. You may be asking, why are you not hunting? Well, a couple of reasons. I kind of want to let things cool down after this weekend. I did go out this morning and I didn't see anything. I'm also getting as much dry wood as I can. It's supposed to rain tonight and tomorrow. And so I'm kind of just preparing for that. I have talked to these old timers, a couple of them. They said it's been a weird year. There's no elk. I did get a good tip on where some bear are, about 5, he said. But yeah, so I'm gonna try maybe this afternoon, this evening. But like, I was talking to this one guy, and we were talking about like just the history of this area. I mean, there's mines, old mines, and this was like a major area for the Native Americans. And in fact, there's like ruins over here, and it's ridiculous. This area is a major corridor for elk, and there's just nothing. It's like they all disappeared. But like, what me and him were talking about was this area, I mean, between the miners and the Native Americans and just the pioneers coming through. Like, this area has fed a lot of people for a long time. And the elk are here. I mean, that's what this place is. It's a corridor. And they're just gone. It's weird. And everybody thinks it's weird that I've talked to guys that have been hunting this spot pretty much their entire lives. Said they've never seen it like this. They're usually out of here on the first day, which is what I anticipated as well. I mean, that's all my research and being up here last year. I mean, I figured I'd be done by now. Go figure, right? Anyway, so rain tonight. I'm expecting a miserable night. But it's okay. I'm getting prepared for it now, so I don't have to worry about it later. So, what turned out as a quick, scouting trip has turned into an ordeal because I just can't, stop. I want to keep seeing, what's further down, It's starting to get a little late. I think I'm only going to go a little bit further, but I've told myself that 3 or 4 times. Anyway, there's another canyon down here. Maybe that's where they're hiding.